are, ladies and gents. They've even let me have a go. If I can do it, anybody can. Come and have a play. It's well worth it. We're driving around the street, and this is a 1923 BSA. Now, this one is full on bike, and it's what we call the suicide ship. So you need 12 hands with no mixture on the pump, and everything's on a handlebar. You've got a gear to find the car. Over again, just one more time, I think, potentially. Great, he's coming over again. Just look up. Absolutely fantastic to see these things in the sky. Ladies and gents, just a quick one. We are expecting the tractors to come up and down the bottom of the field, so if you are anywhere near the roadway, especially where the public steering is, the queuing down there, just be aware that there are 10, 12 tractors coming up. Just be aware that they are marshalled up, but just be aware. Please wave and smile, because you might find yourself on Facebook and Instagram within the next coming weeks. So it'll be a bit like a YouTube training clip when you get to go, that was me! So if you see the drone flying out, then have a bit of a wait. witnessed the heat coming up here. It's quite a lot. Yeah. There you go, I feel better. Right, let's have a bit of insight of you pair whilst we're sat here then. On engine gear, well, where you come from, inside leg measurement, all that sort of stuff. Contractors go around and thrash your corn for you and bale your straw into the bedding. Rats were an issue. You would find a lot of rats in it, when you're taking the stacks down and fending with yourself in many ways. But that's how it used to be done. Then obviously we modernised through from there to where we are today. Right. Thank you very much. It's a lovely machine. Right, I've done that. So, here we have Sarah in front, she's going. So as you look round, you'll think nowadays, God, there's some big fields about. They would have all been much smaller fields. There was, during the Second World War, there was, want of a better word, government policy to rip out hedges because you were losing 4 foot of a field, and that was valuable growing space. So trees, hedges, that sort of thing went. So you go from a 2-3 acre field to a 20-30 acre field or bigger. Because it was more important to grow food than look at nice hedges. This is George, by the way. He's also going to come and have a go at commentator with me in a minute. He's waving at me like I'm not going to make him, but I am. So, Second World War, we got a lot of American tractors in. And if you go down the bottom, he sadly couldn't make it in to the ring with us just. There's an orange Fordson Standard, which was Irish and British built tractor that we produced in massive numbers. And it had a couple of variations. It was blue originally, then went to orange. Got changed from orange because it was an easy target for the Luftwaffe on the way home to just bomb a few tractors that were bright orange and stuck out like a sore thumb. So very quickly got changed to green so that it couldn't be seen. Outside the factory, tractors all parked up ready to go out, and they were just getting bombed, so we changed the colour to green. That was in 1941-42. Right, Jordan, the balls are just by the commentary box, mate. This is going now. You can see what we've done, how it's evolved, and I hope it's sort of cleared things up. Well, not cleared things up, but you've seen sort of how we've developed. And you can sort of see the sizes and the ages. Roughly each 10 years we've got a tractor in for now, which is nice to see. So if you'd like to show your appreciation for the lads fetching the tractors in, and also thank you to the potato pickers, that'd be great. Where's Phil? Let's go. He's getting me a steamer. That's alright then. Right, so we've got a steam engine. We're going to keep the New Holland in the ring, and we're going to get the steamer in the ring. We're not putting it back to back. As much as I'd love to see how who would be great. Again, so this is the point now, lads. We'll target the gym goers, there's a few here. If you've got a beer in your hand, pass it to the person next to you and say, hold my beer, and come and show us how strong you are and do a tug of war against the steamer or tractor. They're very inclusive of age today. Are you ready? On your marks. We'll take the strain, guys. Now I don't want any hernias or anything like that, but are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? That's better. Right, okay. 3, 2, 1, pull! Can we have some encouragement from the crowd, please? That's it, get behind them. Come on, they're actually doing this, I'm really impressed. So it's come from the Middlewich branch, so if you can keep going, it's only 20 miles. One thing. On this vehicle, so I'll go to the driver to give you some info. 1942, built in Canada from the British Commonwealth Forces.